The city of Cremona has always been the cradle of the production of violins, and this has been like that for about 5 centuries now. As you know, the families of Stradivari, Guarneri del Gesù, and so on have flourished in this city and have made the city what it is today, the center of the world of production of string instruments. This, of course, has created a lot of pressure, a lot of expectations on what's going to happen next as far as production of works of art and works of luthier. The city of Cremona is now looking forward to creating a new generation of musical instruments that can rely upon the knowledge that comes from science and technology. This is the reason why the Cremona has joined effort together with the Politecnico of Milan, that has one of the campuses in the city of Cremona, in order to create a very unique experiments in the didactics of today, which is the Stradivari Masters on Science and Technology of String Instruments. This master is first didactic experiments that is meant to create a new professional figure, which is that of the expert, of an expert that is able to speak the language of both luthiers and music production companies and science and technology at the same time. This is a unique thing in the sense that it puts together the effort of a number of actors. In this case, we're talking about the Politecnico of Milan, which is the #1 university, technological university in Italy, together along with the Civic School of Luthiery of the city of Cremona, the Chamber of Commerce, and the Association of Italian Luthiery, and the city of Cremona itself, and the Luthiery Consortium, Antonio Stradivari, that is in Cremona, and the foundation, the Stradivari Foundation. But it's also brought together a number of other universities that are joining effort with the Politecnico of Milan, for example, the Mid-Sweden University and the University of Genova and the University of Pavia. All these actors together are creating some sort of a dream team to bring what the luthiery is today into what it will be in the near future. And this is involving the students in this endeavor, in this operation. The Stradivari Master has a variety of courses that will contribute to creating this new professional figure. And they range from art and history of string instruments to science and technology and materials for luthiery, and it creates the fundamentals in order to help the student understand what happens in the violin and around the violin when the sounds are created. We're talking about vibration, fundamentals of vibroacoustics, digital signal processing, computational acoustics, and spatial audio. But also, there is an area that is focused on the modeling of the production of sound in the violin itself. So there is everything that concerns the mechanics, physics of string instruments, numerical methods in vibroacoustics, and so on. In addition to that, we have a wide range of courses on measurements that help the technician, the expert, understand how to assess the sound, how to measure, how to acquire the sound in the musical instrument. And this includes acoustic measurements and also physical and vibrational measurements. In order to help understanding this process, there is a number of laboratory hours of work that concern practical luthiery, measurements, numerical simulation, signal processing, and so on. In addition to this effort, there is also some work that is expected to be done in the form of internships in the context of industry that work in this direction, but of course, luthiers that will help out understanding the process of production. So it's a very unusual way of approaching the design of musical instruments, and it's going to bridge the gap that there is today between science and art in that direction.